Hello, this is my week 2 submission video, and I'll just briefly go over what is going on with this. This is what I have worked on this week is the homepage and the template of this website. You can see that if we go and do a smaller phone, that it is responsive, that it you don't have to do any horizontal scrolling. You can also see on like an iPad, and I can just even do the responsive view where as I zoom in, it keeps getting smaller. Anyways, so that's how it's responsive. And then we also come up here and validate our HTML. We find that there are no warnings, and if we validate our CSS, there are also no warnings. But as you can see, given the template he kind of showed online, it's pretty close to what he had created on his website. So yep, that's it. Also, one last thing, we have our home page here, but you can also go to the template and it is ready for any content to be put in. It has the header, footer, and navigation bar ready to go.